Hi everyone, in this video we learn numbers with number puzzle board. These are number fishes. Catch the fish. It is one number fish. 1. 1. Count the number 1. 1. And next number, it is 3 number fish. 3. Count the number 3. 1, 2, 3. 7 number fish. 7. And next, count the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And next, it is 8 number fish. 8. 8. Count the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And next number, it is 4 number. 4 number fish. 4. Count the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next number, it is 5 number fish. 5. It is 5. Count the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 10 number fish. 10. 1, 0. 10. Count the number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And next number, it is 9 number. 9. Count the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And it is 6 number fish. It is 6. Count the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And last one, it is 2 number fish. 2. Count the number 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And match with symbols. It is addition symbol. It is subtraction minus symbol. It is equal to. It's square shape. Star. Trapezium. And it is pentagon. Triangle. Circle. And last one, heart symbol.